How's it going, guys? Natalie here from Serpwizz, back again with another one from our Ahrefs tutorial series. So today we'll be discussing about another of their free SEO tools, which is a keyword difficulty checker. Before we go ahead and discuss that though, I want to show you how we can go or access this free SEO tool from Ahrefs, and you only have to um, open Ahrefs' main website or its landing page, which is this one. Scroll down to the bottommost part, and here you'll be able to see all the free SEO tools that Ahrefs offer. So today we're doing this one, which is a keyword difficulty checker. Upon clicking that, it will be directed to another page, which is where the tool is. So as you can see, you will only have to enter a keyword of your choice. You can filter the country as well, or once you have a preference on which country you would want to check for that specific keyword, and then just select this part right here, and it will automatically populate the report for you. Looking through on the bottom part as we scroll down, these are just important information that you can use as you utilize the tool as well. So with Ahrefs Keyword Difficulty Checker, you're gonna want to use this tool if you want to determine just how difficult it will be for your chosen keyword to rank in the top 10 search results in any search engine. For example, you're using Google, and we know how absolutely important it is to have a keyword that ranks well, right? So the reason for that is because it brings in organic traffic and more business to your website. So talking about keyword difficulty, Ahrefs actually came up with their own metric to help discern where your keyword stands and how likely it is to end up on the first page of a search engine page. So uh, you will be able to see, for example, you're searching for something and then you input a keyword, and the first page you see is the one I'm pertaining to as the top 10 search results, all right? And just in case you're wondering how Ahrefs measure the keyword difficulty, what they do is that they go through search engine results and analyze the report they get from there. And what's good about this tool is that it'll show you exactly a suggestion of how many backlinks from a number of sites you should have to rank in the top 10. So as you can see here, it shows that we estimate that you'll need backlinks from at least 160 websites to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. So it gives you already the impression that, or what you need to improve in order to gain or attain your goal of landing on the top 10 search engine result. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see how this tool works. So immediately one keyword that came up is custom furniture. Let's see, I'll just set it to the US and then check keyword difficulty. It should prompt something right here. So just answer this one quickly. And once it's done, you're already presented with the results. So for the keywords custom furniture, it is on this percentile. We estimate that you'll need backlinks from at least 167 websites to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. So you also have a SERP overview right here. Of course, if you want to view a more dedicated or more in-depth results, you should absolutely sign up for Ahrefs. But as far as this goes, we already have these results and we have an idea of how many um, website backlinks you will be needing to achieve landing on the top 10 for this specific keyword. Another thing is that if you're struggling with finding proper keywords to use, don't lose hope because Ahrefs actually offer tools for this dilemma. For example, you can use this one here, which is a Keywords Explorer, and also another here, which is Keyword Generator, or if you're gearing towards a more specific platform, you can absolutely use these as well. So utilizing all these other tools will absolutely get you something that you can work on and keywords that you can include in your content so that you can generate more website traffic or more business all in all. So there we have it for this free SEO tool from Ahrefs, and hopefully we see you guys again on the next one. Do share us your thoughts on the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.